Welcome to WAGNER Falls in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. This is just outside of Munising. It's a nice little trek back in here. Give you a little pan behind me. It's pretty deep snow, but well worth the journey. Just giving you this little teaser video here, and yeah, I'm about to walk out, but I figured to give you this view. All right. How you guys doing, man? Good. I'll get out of your way if I'm in it. Not too bad. What do you got in there? A drone?
Oh, yeah. Probably not enough room for it, but...
Oh, don't ever say that.
I'm going to say that. Try to convince this guy back here. I didn't break it. Never mind.
It's a perfect day for a drone. Why not? Oh, you should see him look on his face like, yeah, no. I would definitely not want to put a fan of 4 up or nothing. Where are you guys from?
From Jackson.
Jackson, what, downstate?
Yeah.
You guys want to be on camera? Be on YouTube.
What?
I'm on YouTube right now. Shooting live. I don't have many people watching, but you know. Jackson, you said what, downstate?
Yeah, it's like a half-hour south of Lansing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't go down there much.
Yeah. You from out here?
Iron Mountain.
Where's that at?
2 hours north of Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Okay.
I could find no reason to sit on the couch anymore.
Yeah. Good place to not do that.
Check out any other waterfalls yet, or what? All like this? Bad? What do you guys do with your drone footage?
Nothing yet. Try to do some cool stuff with it.
No YouTube channel, Facebook? No?
Did a little bit of work, but just got them like a month ago. Only had them for a month.
Thought about getting one, but editing this, 4K, and my GoPro, I don't even want to add another video to it.
They're fun. I'm gonna check that out. They're the one that we walked on. Yeah, so that's me. We walked through the creek up there. Yeah.
Hey, have a good day, man. Guys, be careful.
Oh yeah, yep, you too.
I should have brought ice cleats.
I know, next time for sure.
All right. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to head on back out to the road, guys, and I'll keep you along, take you along for the journey. Show you how little treacherous this is. I don't guess anybody else wants to try that. Sneak by you guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, you guys have a good day.
You too.
by you guys here.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
You guys have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
All right. Yeah, one of my cool new things about having my smartphone is I want to live stream it. I want to show you guys where I am, what I'm doing, where I'm going, and this is pretty cool. Munising Falls. Well, I'm sorry, we're in Munising, Michigan. It's WAGNER Falls. Oh, don't get me all mixed up on that one, but just out checking the Upper Peninsula out today. It was in the 50s when I left Iron Mountain. It's in the probably 40s up here. I'm a little chilly, but obviously all this snow. Can't believe it's spring, can you? Finally spring. Been looking forward to it a long time. Seems like we have like 8 months of snow here in the UP and about 4 months of, well, I won't call it summer, but it's not winter. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me. I'm making a little bit of video today, trying to do a little something for my channel. I know I'm been a little slow the last few weeks, really the last few months, but yeah, when you're dealing in the winter time, there's not a whole lot to do if you're not into a lot of winter sports. Oh, sun feels good. Trying to think, I don't think I'm having any live streams planned in the near future, other than this one I'm doing right now on YouTube, but yeah, you never know. Figure out something. Lots of trips planned this summer. Not really sure exactly where yet, but again, I hope you guys enjoyed this little journey, WAGNER Falls, here in Munising, Michigan. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because you never know when I'm going live, and that's really the only way you're going to know. Make sure you, is it over here, that little bell, notification bell. I don't know why you should have to notification bell anything when you're subscribed to my channel, but panhandlers, there's one in Marquette right now near Napa. I saw a picture of him earlier. Anyway, I'm gonna go. We're back out here to the highway and WAGNER Falls. Have a great day, everybody.